Welcome traders to the Flash Trade One brand new video. So today we are going to discuss about the tools which is going to be implemented for your account so that you can check all the complete information of your account very easily in your screen. No need to check your account history all the time, and you will get a complete analysis of your account, how many lots are traded, how many pips you have gained the profit, and all the information on your screen. So for that, Flash Trade One designed their custom tool, and so that you can check it out all these details. First of all, I will let you know that here we have taken our Super Forex account. For that, all the complete details about that account we already updated. That account ID 420448 and the broker name, server name, and the investor password we already updated. For more than 7 months, we are updating on our Telegram channel that you can check out here. So here you will get all the complete information about the account and all these details. So now moving ahead, so you can see that what you need to do, you just need to hit the any particular pair and just going for the Flash Trade One summary, this indicator, you just need to double click here. About you can see the complete information, common file, you just need to click allow, and just all the inputs and all the details are available, and just you need to click on OK, and you will see the complete details here. So now talking about that one, so here we are taking a customized complete information about our signals. So all our traders, those are the part of the new signals, regular signals, and also the mirror trading, these are getting the custom tools so that they can check out all the details. As per our news-based traders, we are trading into the signals, and you can see that some of the high volatile pairs we have booked the losses, and the loss are clearly mentioned. Like you can check out the figures like 2966, then 1890 and 1569. Mostly I made the loss into the USD JPY, GBP USD, and the Euro USD. These are the high volatile pairs. As per the base on the news, we are trading it, and we have booked the loss also. But if you are checking the USD CAD pairs where we are trading with a very small lot size, and other pairs also we are trading with a very small lot size, so that as per the respective trend into that particular time, so we are traded and we are closely booked the very good profit. So these are the most of the pairs we are traded into this one: USD CHF, New Zealand USD, Euro GBP, CHF GBP, Euro CAD, and GBP JPY. There are a lot of pairs we are traded, and here you can see that the complete analysis of your account, that net profit loss we have booked the 24,364, and the same profit is going to be reflected in your profit segment also. And the net pips of the 17514 net pips you book here from the trading. So this is how you can see your complete analysis of the trade. So if you are going to contact a Flash Trade One, you can going through our website also, www.flashtrade1.com, or you can directly contact us at the @FlashTrade11 on Telegram channel. We'll let you know how you can implement this tool in your account, and it will be giving you the most popular results ever you have seen. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.